the venture market in some sense operates with its, 1,000 or 1,000,000 monkeys at typewriters, right? Each typing away, and, the adage goes that you don't know, one monkey out of, over a period of time will crank out Shakespeare. Now, the point is this. You know statistically that one monkey will generate Shakespeare. You don't know which exact monkey will generate that. So you can't place a bet. You can place a bet on the aggregate. You can't place a bet on the specific. And so understanding those dynamics and leaning into those and harnessing that versus making enterprise-wide mature decisions on technology, we're now working with procurement, we're working with product teams, we're working with buyers inside to start developing that understanding at a dramatic level inside government. So we're now starting to understand the language and impedance match with how the market works.